Joy Jagannath, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Samastanku Namaskar. I welcome all of you to the 4th National Chilika Bird Festival. This annual flagship event has successfully projected the magic and charm of Chilika, its migratory birds, and has brought focus to its ecological significance and diverse avian population. It has been a great platform to conserve, educate, and protect our natural treasures. Every year, over 1 million winged visitors of different species undertake flights to the mighty but calm Chilika Lake, Asia's largest brackish water lake. Local people around Chilika Lake play an integral role in protecting its ecosystem. Their activities, particularly in boating and guided tours, with focus on showcasing the lake's biodiversity, are highly appreciable. I appreciate the efforts of the Department of Tourism, Department of Forest Environment and Climate Change, and Chilika Development Authority for organizing this unique event. The festival will serve as a catalyst for promoting sustainable tourism practices and also create awareness among tourists. I invite you all to make the best of your visit to Odisha and experience the mystic Chilika. Keep exploring Odisha, India's best kept secret. Bande Utkal Janani.